humor. Yeah.
Now,
Okay.
someday you will see the hour.
Humor.
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 Humor. The humor in this.
Okay. Good. What's this?
Hour. Humor.
Yeah. See, that's M here, right?
Our humor. Our humor. Our humor.
Or humor is something funny. Okay, make
What?
humor.
What?
Okay, spell.
HUMOR. Humor.
Okay. Okay. Hyperbole. Hyperbole. Let's read it. Hyperbole. Hyperbole. No.
Hyperbole.
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 Okay, the emphasis per. Hyperbole.
Hyperbole. Hyperbole.
Hyperbole. Okay. Hyperbole
Can
show strong emotions or create what?
create
Humor.
humor.
Humor. Humor.
Humor.
Humor.
Humor.
Create something funny. Okay.
Create humor. She
Flashed.
me a smile.
Brighter.
Brighter day. Sunshine. When I open the door.
Okay. The smile brighter than sunshine. That's the hyperbole. It's some exaggeration about her smile. Okay. Personification.
Personification is describing
Good. Human, non-human.
non-human things as if they were people.
Personification.
Personification can make animals objects
Good.
or ideas seem more human.
Okay.
The wind will see where the
Everywhere.
everywhere in the trees.
Okay. So the wind cannot sing, right? But here said the wind will sing. So it's like the wind is a human, is a person, right? It's human.
Assembly.
Seemingly.
Assembly uses like are us to compare two things that are not actually
Good.
alike.
Yeah.
Seemingly.
Seemingly.
Simile helps readers use their
Senses.
senses to understand a text. A teacher,
A
tear, a
Mrs. Bumps.
cheek,
Yeah. Shaw.
like a
Diamond.
and the starlight.
Okay. See, the basically you say a tear is like a diamond. Okay.
A tear, like a diamond.
Okay. That's a simile. Compare tear with a diamond. Okay.
A metaphor
Cool.
compares two things that are not actually alike without using or as a metaphor.
Good.
Also helps readers use their
Senses.
to understand a text. They were all their science.
Good. Husky.
Husky.
Okay.
Look,
Husky.
Husky. Look.
Okay.
Look.
Husky.
Look. Look.
Is that
Look. Look.
the word there? Silent husky. Okay.
Look.
It's a husky is a verb here. What's it?
Humor.
Good.
Humor.
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 Okay, something funny. Okay.
Joke.
Jokes.
Funny stories.
Okay.
Look.
Husky is an adjective here.
Husky.
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 Husky. Horse with us emotion.
Emotions. Like.
No.
I have the.
Yeah, I think it means this one. Harsh and dry.
Harsh and dry.
In sound.
The sound.
Husky sound. Okay.
Husky.
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 Okay, husky. Horse. Not gentle. Husky.
Husky.
Husky. Husky.
Oh, no.
Husky.
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 I don't think it means this one. The horse with emotion.
Husky.
Husky.
Husky. Husky.
Okay.
Husky. Husky.
Okay.
Look. Husky and try with eyes of steel.
Okay.
If something is beyond
Being
twisted, this
its
shape is changed. The God is changed. People in a way that is wrong or unnatural.
good, unnatural, good.
So that this example of personification
Good.
personification suggests that people are changing in a bad way.
Okay. Okay, let's read this one. Harry willed. Okay, this is a new word. Look that. What's that?
Husky.
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 Whale. 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 Whale.
Big. Loud. Or cry.
Okay.
the child started
Raining.
after she
Stumbled.
and fell.
Okay.
Whale.
Well,
Whale.
What?
Okay, spell.
W-A-I-L. Well.
Okay, well.
Well.
Okay. Okay. Mom, Henry.
That's what he always say. Harry was getting tired and of standing on
Yeah, what's that?
tiptoe.
Yeah, can do tiptoe. Yeah. No. This.
This
Yeah. It's tiptoe.
tiptoe and that face.
Phone.
Oh.
Both. Okay. Tiptoe. You say tiptoes. Tiptoe. Okay. Tiptoe. You see? Yeah, standing like that. That's tiptoe. You see? This tiptoe. Okay. Phone booth. In the past, there's some public phone. Yeah. In the street, you can go there to use the phone. Okay, so called phone booth. What's that?
Wow.
Wheel.
What?
Whale.
Well.
Whale. Whale.
Well. To make a loud long cry. The child started wailing after she stumbled and fell.
Okay.
Whale.
Well,
Wheel. Okay, not war. What's this?
well,
No, what's
wall. Do what? Well,
good? You see, that's big difference.
wall, well,
Okay.
fab,
Okay. Booth.
Booth.
booth,
Booth.
booth, booth,
Booth.
booth,
Booth. Booth.
booth, booth,
Booth. A small area enclosed. Okay, that's good. Yeah, actually, this one is good.
a small area that is
Enclosed. Okay.
enclosed.
In order to provide privacy for one person. Okay. A voting booth.
Booth.
Booth,
Booth.
booth,
Booth.
Okay, spell.
B-O-O-T-H, booth.
Okay, this is a phone booth. A phone booth. Okay. When talking inside this, people cannot hear you. Okay. Okay. Harry was getting tired of standing on tiptoe under the phone booth.
Booth was getting warm. Mom, please say yes, and I will never ask for another thing as long as I live.
Okay, as long as I live, I will not ask another thing. Okay.
We will.
Well,
All right, Harry. I guess there isn't any reason why you
shouldn't.
have a dog.
Okay, though. Harry wants a dog. Okay. Okay.
What does this example of
Hyperbole.
tell you?
Okay.
It shows how long Harry's could would like to have a dog. It shows how important
Okay.
it is to Harry.
Okay.
It's too long.